It's a powerful event. If you guys aren't here, you're missing out. There's two types of these kind of events. There's the cheap one, and then there's this one. It's a powerful event. If you guys aren't here, you're missing out. There's two types of these kind of events. There's the cheap one, and then there's this one. The reason why you go to this one isn't because you're here to buy a deal, to get some information. You're here to really network with people doing the stuff that you need to be doing. So this is case in point. You need the right mentors in your life. You need to be in the right circle. And if you got to pay to sit at the table, you got to pay. That's how it works. I did. I'll pay to sit at the table. I got one guy paying 50 grand a year to be at the table. So if I can pay him, you gotta at some level realize you gotta start paying to play. Because the moment you pay, guess what you're gonna get? So much more wisdom, so much more accountability, so much more applicable information that you can use to go crush the game. Don't try to do this business for free. Feel me? Take action, go find people, pay to get to these type of events, get around winners. By the way, winners wear power suits. Power! Stay humble. Here with Jeff Wybo, crushing the Wybo Limo Tour today. Here with your boy Humble.
This is going to be the best one ever.
So listen, if you guys missed out, it's totally fine. I mean, you're already too late for the party. But we might do this one again. What I want you guys to do is really look at what we're doing here today and ask yourself a question. Should I have been there? Whatever the cost was, even if it's $500, let's look at the risk and reward relationship. If you come here, build one relationship or buy one deal or get some accountability in your life to start taking your game to the next level, what is it worth? Money is a tool. It doesn't mean anything. So next time Jeff puts one of these on, you got to get connected. You got to get around people that are doing stuff. You need proximity to power. So don't cheap your way out in life. Don't go buy the cheapest suits and the cheapest experiences and the cheapest events. Go to the ones that are going to produce results, and you got to pay for those. So I want to encourage you, pay for stuff that's going to get you where you got to get. Do you agree?
Show me who you're hanging around with, and I'll show you your future, guys. And this is what it's all about. I'm super excited about today. Let's go have a good time today.
You got it. Got it. Boom.
Jefferson from Hamilton. Yeah, I mean, it's been amazing being able to network. This is my first networking event, but it's been a lot of helpful information. How to get started, how to raise money has been phenomenal. Yeah, for sure. That you should be raising money privately without having to use banks. Your mindset, you know how important it is to have the right mindset to go towards your goals.
Me and my boy, get us. Now let me see you get out. We got everybody humble, everybody dressed up, everybody ready to roll. I love this stuff, man, because it's powerful. You get around people that are doing big things. You join networks and communities of people who are crushing the game, and you'll start crushing by association. So just get around the right people. When you're scared to go out to events or you're scared to pay a couple $100s to come to an event, realize what you're missing by not being here. So here's my tip of the day. My tip of the day is realize the stuff that you don't know, right? We don't know what we don't know. So as a result, get around the people that might have a clue. Don't get advice from everybody around you. You need to get counsel. And counsel comes from people that have done the things that you want to do. So get counsel, seek it, love it, embrace it. Don't be arrogant. Don't be prideful. Let the counsel, come into your brain and really help you understand what's going on. But don't worry about advice. Don't worry about social media haters. Don't worry about your cousin, your brother, your sister, your mom. They don't know this life. I don't know this life, so I had to learn it. I had to get counsel, I had to pay for it, and I had to pay for it by coming to events like this and hiring mentors. So get a mentor, get some counsel, and get you a Lambo. Peace.
So my name is Nissi Shukri, and I'm from London, Ontario. So far, it's actually been an amazing experience. I have no experience in real estate. I think I'm the youngest here, 19 years old, and it was definitely like a mind opener for me. Oh yeah, definitely. Like private investors, all these different things. This is kind of new to me. I just wanted to really get into it and really understand that. Even houses and just networking with a lot of people, it was definitely the cost.
Humble. This is my boy here. What's up?
Hey, we're gonna make some money today.
Make it happen.
We're gonna make a shit ton of money.
Here we go. My man got it. But no, they're fun. You know, my mentor told me this thing. I had a goal when I reached the $1 million net worth. I was going to buy this car. And I got there, and my wife and I were doing the paperwork one night, and we realized we hit the goal. We didn't do anything. We didn't buy a car. We didn't celebrate. It was just another day. Yeah. And it was always one of those things when I got to the point where I was going to buy it, I said to myself, I'm too busy. I got too many responsibilities. I'll never drive it. And my mentor said something one day. He said, dude, you have to check the box in life. Because if you can't check a $100,000 or $200,000 box, you won't check the $1 million box later on.
Or else it's going to show up in other places, right?
And it makes sense, but I never thought about it that way. And you're right, it's going to show up in other areas of your life where you're not checking those boxes. And ever since I've done it, I'm like, the level of confidence and the level of box checking now has gone to the next level.
For sure.
So everybody gets driven by different things. Some people are fear driven, some people are pleasure driven. We all have different triggers. And it's just understanding yourself.
It's a challenge. You know, school was a challenge when I was young. It was like a game or whatever.
Was it?
It almost treated like a sport. You know, business is actually the ultimate sport.
Agreed.
You know, so.
I love that. What's up, man? How are you? Oh, dude. We got some awesome guys, man. It's one of my best lead ninjas, man. Yeah. Like everybody's repping the lead ninja.
Yeah,
you don't even know. You don't even know. I love young guys like this, man. These guys are just so bubbly. They got so much energy. Attitude is huge. Attitude is the biggest thing you got going for you, man. Just stay who you are, right? That's why I go by humble and remind myself, right? Just, hey, stop being a dick, squash the ego, just be cool, you know, be humble. Yeah. and you got it, man. That's what I love about you. So glad you came down.
No, I'm happy to be here. I'm excited, man. I'm ready to get on the tour, man.
Be good.
Help me rock it out.
That's right. That's right. It's gonna be good.
Where do you find you get your spirit from? Your parents like this, or?
That's a good question. I don't know. Like I think that's how I get from my mom. Like, you know, she's always told me to never give up. Always look at the bright side of things. Always try to see things from a different angle. You know, don't just take the majority opinion. Always try to understand and make it proper balance and always give everything you got. He always told me, like going in school, my dad never cared for me to be an A+ student. He just always wanted to know if I did my best.
It's powerful that you say that because people don't get that concept. I'm the nuts and bolts guy, so for a long time I'm like trying to figure out the nuts and bolts, and then Mark's like, chill out with the nuts and bolts, bro. He's like, think about the why, and I'm like, yeah, I'm good on the why. I'm highly energetic. I don't. Just show me the thing. And then what I realized,
they need to reach for the book or the encyclopedia of nuts and bolts, and they need it once in a while.
and it's important. But what I realized is that we're so capable of figuring out the nuts and bolts if we have enough motivation to do it.
Yeah.
And I didn't get that for a while, because now it's like I want to start this business. Like our subconscious is powerful.
I think the biggest thing I've learned is goal setting, making sure that you set goals, you achieve them, and then you keep going. This is a competitive industry for sure, so you have to be accountable for what you're doing.
Go to places that are gonna push and motivate you to do bigger stuff when you get home.
Yeah.
Not like, Sunday afternoon I'm bored, let me go sit on this bus.
Yeah.
So that's what my advice to you guys is, like, go find people doing big shit. A lot of them are here. Just get around. If you gotta pay to play, pay to play.
Yeah.
Put the first 50 grand in your brand. Y'all got room for one more?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We've just got closing in these
Okay. You guys all hyped? Real estate isn't about the property. It's about you and your development and who you are. It's who you are that'll make you successful, not what you do.
Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so I know to keep making these videos for you. Follow me on all social media platforms at Ben Humble CEO. And visit my website at www.humble.ceo for more content, wholesale real estate opportunities, blogs, speaking engagements, and so much more. Stay humble.